Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a website by simply using Caard. It's a very useful website for creating simple, free, fully responsive one-page site for pretty much anything about website. As you can see, Caard is completely free. Also, there has a pro plan and the pro plan is about only $19 per year, and it's a fully affordable, as you know. So after that, what you can do, we can simply click on this choose a starting point. If you click on that, and as you can see, we are now into this Caard. And for the premium template, as you can see, they are showing with the premium tagline. So if I just use this one, if I just click on that, as you can see, it's rightly showing the template over here. So if I just click on these images, I can simply upload my image. Click on the upload, and if I just choose any of image, like I'm choosing this image over here, going to accept it, and as you can see, the image has been setted over here. So now, as you can see, if I just change the name, like I'm going to change my name with my real name. As you can see, I added my real name, so it is looking like this. I'm going to only add the Mehdi Hassan over here, and if I just want to add some text, I can simply do it as well. So if I just type over here Lorium Ipsum, I can simply do it as well, like this, as you can see. Also here, I can simply add some icons, so I can simply add some icon as I like. If I just wanted to add some another icons, then I can simply click on add, as you can see, like this. So after that, if I just come over into the right side, I can simply add it how I want. I can do it as bold and whichever I prefer. So also there has some buttons. I can simply add another buttons if I like. So it's customizable, as you can see. Also, I can simply use some solid line or outline, as you can see. So there are lots of customization options. As you know right now, you can simply customize it as your need. So I rightly showing you how it done. So if I just now simply go for the preview, as you can see, I can simply do it as a mobile phone version, how it looks. Also, I can do it for the desktop version. And now I can simply save them like I want. I can simply add my account over here, and also I can simply publish it by simply doing some formal things over here. So yeah, this is how we can simply create a website, one-page website for your needs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.